What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. It's about 16 degrees outside, but it doesn't matter. Today, we're putting the Triumph Speed Twin back together. In case you missed the last 3 episodes, we took all the aluminum parts off the Speed Twin, drove them over to Full Throttle Finishes, and we had Mike powder coat them black. Once again, thank you, Mike. You did an immaculate job. The parts look great. If this is your first time on the channel, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see 0 to 60s, exhaust clips, riding reviews, new releases, burnouts, part installs, you name it. Also, if you want to further support my channel, please click the link down below, buy me a coffee, or more specifically, buy me a beer. I'll give your name a shout out and I'll drink whatever beer you want. Just donate a couple bucks, $2 to $4, buy me a beer. Before I begin, I gotta give a massive shout out to Anthony from Alfred, New York for buying me this beer. Hopefully I'll catch you this summer to check out your Speedmaster and return the favor. Cheers. Before I get started, I want to get all my black powder coated parts and get them set up with the nuts and bolts that I also had powder coated, so they're prepped and ready. I actually had to watch my own video to figure out which nuts and bolts went with which part. Not sure if that makes me an idiot or a genius, but hey, something's working here. Now that I got all the parts together, it's time to let out the Speed Twin. It's been a few weeks since I've laid eyes on her. I'm not gonna lie, last time I saw her, she was looking pretty pathetic. I think this beer's expired. It is expired. Wow, she looks great. Mike from Full Throttle Finishes does an excellent job. The bike is far from complete though. There's still a lot left to black out. The Monza cap for the gas tank I want to get done. I also decided against powder coating my levers for the brake and clutch. I decided I'm gonna get new ones that are already black. And last but not least, I want to swap this thing out right here. You may have noticed I forgot to put on a part. The license plate holder I decided to leave off because If you like the way the Speed Twin looks, throw this video a like. If you want to see me get this 1980 Suzuki GS1000G going for this summer, please subscribe to my channel. I just picked this up and I intend on getting this thing running before the snow melts. That's all I got for you guys.